Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to fix this door handle. For some reason it is sort of loose, as you guys can see, and this cap here somewhat comes off once in a while because it's too loose. So there's too much gap here. It's supposed to be a little bit more inner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and remove this whole door panel here and see if I can actually tighten it up. I was looking through the hole here and I can't see anything that actually tightens it up. So I think I'm just gonna open this whole thing up and work from there. Hey Chester. Hi Chester. What are you doing? What are you doing, Chester? You here to help? Are you here to help, my boy? Oh, hold on. Sorry. Come on here. Come on here. Handsome boy. Handsome boy. If you guys are ever curious on how to actually undo this whole panel here, the door card, technically we need to open this whole thing up, I think. So get your bone tool and try to lift this little panel up here. There's a little notch here where you can put your screwdriver, or I like to use the bone tool because I don't want to damage anything here. There. Anyways, I'm gonna try and work this out. As you can see, it's getting there. And because we do have one bolt that we need to remove out of here and be able to crack open this whole thing. All right, we got it off now. Basically, I just had to work my bone tool around as I've done. Something is holding it up. There you go. There's a little knob here that sticks in there. So now just got to pull this all the way up here. So we got locking pin here. There you go. So you got one out. There you go. All right, so yeah, there's two connections here, one here and one over here. And it's kind of interesting how this thing is, because it does slide in. There's a lock that slides in, that slides out. Same thing as this one, just to press this guy out. And that basically takes it all out. And the next step would be there's a bolt right here that we need to undo. So there's one bolt holding this in. The other thing, the reason why I wanted to get this opened up as well, I've been having some rattling that's coming from here somewhere, so it's a perfect time for me to actually check that out and see what the heck's going on underneath here as well. So the next step here is really just position. You know where this plastic here is, and the body of the car, basically, or the door. You just have to insert another bone tool here and try to pry this open. There you go. There. So there's another one here, another bolt. Okay, that went off. All right, so basically here I can't really access the doorknob anyways from here, because it's just right there, and the panel is pretty much closed from here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just having it rested on the chair, and it looks like I can't really. I was thinking that there's got to be some kind of screw that I can tighten in the process, but nothing really that I can see there that I can do tighten it up to fasten the doorknob a little bit. Right, back in place, guys. Yeah, it's not so bad. It's not coming off now, so it's actually not bad at all. so it opens up nicely, and everything's back in place now. I basically just tightened this up a little bit, and that seemed to somewhat tighten it up every time I pull the handle. And yeah, so the next step would be is to, now where's our rubber? We do have a rubber grommet that goes in here, so we just install that in, and then should be all good to go.